All right, so if you have a jammed nail or the firing pin is stuck in your Pazode PPN, this is what you need to do. First, we're going to pull back and release any nails left in the magazine. We want to remove the battery and, of course, remove the gas. With that done, we're going to grab out an Allen key. This will come in the box with your Pazode PPN, and then we're going to spin the gun around, and we have 2 screws here in the magazine that we want to start to loosen. So I'm going to take that first screw out the entire way and put it to the side. I had to get some help on that. It was the tightest screw I've ever dealt with. With those 2 screws out, we're going to remove one more screw, which is in the magazine at the bottom there. For this last screw, you're going to have to get the other Allen key that was in the Pazode box, so keeping it fun for us, switching it up. And from there, we can pull out this entire magazine. And you can access the firing pin and clear out any jam nails that you have in your Pazode PPN. You want to make sure you're careful with the magazine and that you don't pull this all the way out and it falls apart. If you do, the way to fix your magazine and put it back together is we'll have this little coil which sits in the clip like that. You can see we've got this lip of the coil, and when we slide that back in the magazine, that lips over the top of the magazine like that. So when you pull the handle down, it's got pressure and wants to swing back. From there, we're just going to reverse the process.